Hello everyone, this is Dionne from Dionne's Jewelry Avenue, and today we are going to make these beautiful stretch bracelets. It's pretty simple, really simple. All you need is your beads, maybe about 10 inches of some stretch string, a little clip to put on the end of your string because you want to be putting your beads on and all your beads come off. So you put that at the end. And what I like to do before I start is get my beads in order the way I want them to be. It goes a lot quicker. And then you can look and see if it looks right, if everything's in place. Then all you gotta do is just start threading your beads. It's already in order for you, so just put them on there. And that's about it. This is probably one of the items on my site that I'm hoping to launch on Monday. I believe Monday is August 1st. So it's Dionne's Jewelry Avenue.com. And on my site we'll be having bracelets, earrings, charm rings, bangles, chokers, aloha chokers, all kinds of stuff. So you just keep an eye out for that. I greatly appreciate it. I am almost done. See, it goes so fast if you know where you want your beads to go. Anyways, I really enjoy making jewelry. It's very soothing, relaxing. It's fun. My sisters and my family, they also make jewelry. And also on the weekends, I go to the farmer's market and I sell my jewelry there too, every Saturday. So I do have like a backup plan. Always have a backup plan. Almost done. Oh, and by the way, I got this little cute tray from Dollar Tree. This is the perfect size for bracelets, my choker necklaces that I make. Everything. Oops. Keeps everything nice and organized. One more bead. Look at that. All done. Now what you do, take the ends. You can make like 4 knots because you want to make sure this is tied. So do a regular knot. to another knot. Pull it. And I like to make one underneath it on the other side. Now after you do all that, you're gonna add a tad bit of glue right there on the knot. And then what I like to do is I like to tie one more knot. Right there where we stuck the glue at. Cut your elastic. And voila. You have your stretch bracelet. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And once again, my name is Dionne from Dionne's Jewelry Avenue, and you have a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you.